So step number one, we have to come on desktop, new folder. So chat app, create this. Now we have to come in VS Code, and here as you can see, we have to open this chat app. Now come in MongoDB Compass and type add new connection on 2707 localhost, save and connect. Okay. Now we have to go over here and you have to copy this path, and then in command prompt you have to paste cd and that path. After you paste that, then you have to type mkdir make directory server. So when you do that, you will make a directory inside this VS Code server करके. Now you have to go to cd server. So this will be extended chat app server. Now you have to type npm init -y. This will run the node, it will create the server. So as you can see, packages and all will be installed. Next we have to type npm install express socket.io mongoose cores. So this is for backend, and enter. It will load for a while. Now you have to get all these modules, package.json, package -log.json and node modules. So after all this is done, you have to come over here and you have to create a new file in server. File name should be server.js. Okay, in server.js, this is the JavaScript code you have to paste. This is the code. So here you are taking express, https, mongoose, all these are like packages. So paste it over here. Now if you did everything till here correctly and you saved this code over here, you go back to command prompt, same one. Now and you type node server.js. This will start running the server. MongoDB will get connected. So MongoDB connected, server running on port 5000. So after this is here, you have to open another new command prompt. This old command prompt should be running in the background, that is the backend. Now we are making the front end. So over here the new front end is working. So this is my path from here, I copied before, and now enter. 1 second. Now we are here in the server. Now you have to type npx create react app client and enter. Now this will load again for a while. Now we are making the front end. So all the directories, vagera packages that are needed will be installed. Now after we did that, it will ask you yes, no if you are doing it for the first time, but it did not ask me here. And then it says happy hacking. So here your React directories are all ready. So as you can see, client src, you should be having a app css js and all. Next, now here in src you have to create a new file, chat.js javascript file, and here you have to paste this code. This is the code that we have to learn to write in internal. This is the front end code, so you have to buttify this. Now save this and go to app.js, and this app.js you have to delete everything and paste this new code. So what we are doing, import react from react, import from css, import chat from chat. Okay, now function app. Okay, and then chat. So this is going to be this. After that we have two command prompts. One is for backend that MongoDB is running on. One is the front end. In this front end, you have to type npm start. Okay, wait. Now npm. So we are in the wrong folder right now. You have to come here. So this C chat app, you have to be in client. So cd client and then npm start. Okay, so development server has started. Localhost 3000 loading. So this is here, as you can see, real-time chat is working. Hi. So one step that I missed over here was, so socket.io was not connected by me. So what you have to do is, okay, after you pasted the codes, required codes, so you have pasted only what? Chat.js, app.js, these both you have to learn, and the steps which we are going through, that you have to learn. Okay, in case you want to learn CSS, you can learn, but not doing that right now. So here, what you have to do is, uh, before npm start, you have to make sure you run this command, npm install socket.io client axios. This is another important command. So this is to install socket.io. After that, this is how it will be. Let me just import css as well. Now this is after importing css. So real-time chat is created only for external. So let's take a look at the framework. So we are the users. So what users are not seeing is the front end is made up of React. All this client, this whatever is there, this is made up of React. Okay. And then socket.io, this is enabling us to connect Node.js, that is the backend. This part is the backend. Okay. Backend and front end are being connected with socket.io, for which we ran the axios command, and mongodb is the database. Whatever we are typing, hi, hello, that's all will be over here. As you can see, messages are there. See, so like everything has an ID. Okay, and then this is being broadcasted to all users. That's it.